Hi Pete, how are you?
Good, thanks Jackie.
What are you making?
I'm making chicken broccoli bake today.
Oh lovely.
So it's my first attempt at
What's in a
this.
pea?
Mainly chicken, broccoli,
Oh lovely.
onions, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, herbs, and that's really basic, and cheese. That's basic. Grated cheese.
And a sauce. Is it
And
sauce?
I'm making on a white sauce.
Oh lovely.
So
Right.
firstly I'm going to start off with,
Okay.
I'm going to drop oil on the frying pan.
Okay.
I'll just put that on. Let it heat up for a second. So here we have our breadcrumbs, right?
Okay.
And here I'm going to spread a good handful of cheese. This is Irish cheddar, right?
Give me the breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here I'm going to put about a tablespoon of mixed herbs. Right?
Right.
Maybe a half as well. Roughly tablespoon. Doesn't really matter. I keep on saying to people, it doesn't really matter if you're a little bit extra here and a bit less of that. It doesn't really matter. You mix it, if you put fine through the breadcrumbs and cheese, so then you put a bit of salt on your mix, right? And a bit of black pepper. That gives it a little bit of flavour. So that's your topping, right? So I have a topping here. So next thing I do is get my chicken and onion.
Right.
Put in the frying pan. This will cook for about 10 or 15 minutes on the frying pan. Salt and pepper. I'm also going to put a cube of chicken bouillon to give it a bit of flavour. So that's going to cook away there for a good few minutes, right?
Right.
The next thing, I have my pot here. This is coming from my bechamel sauce. And what I'm going to do here is get the butter, just 3 tablespoons or a little bit more. Don't worry about the weight as well. So, let that simmer for a little while. So that takes a little while to melt down. So, mix your, I'm leaving the broccoli for last, you want to avoid, because broccoli will cook a lot quicker,
Right.
and I don't want to overcook.
Oh yeah.
And
Nice with a bite in it.
Yeah, plus broccoli can be ever wrong. You might get salad, broccoli and carrot and mayonnaise. That's actually made from raw broccoli. So the broccoli doesn't have to be cooked. I mean, so that's why I leave that for the last minute. And away. Actually, I know the fan is on, and hopefully you can hear me as well.
There you will.
Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is add the flour.
To the butter.
Yeah. And what does that do, Jackie?
Thickens it.
Yeah. The roux. The basic roux.
For a what?
The basic roux.
Roux.
Roux. It's a French term.
Oh yeah.
Bechamel is white sauce.
Jesus.
But it's actually a French term. As I said, the French are the best cooks in the world.
Are they?
They're known to be.
Wow.
So a lot of the food is actually see like the roll out come together. Right?
Oh yeah.
That will help with picking it. So here I have milk. I'm using today's milk because I'm trying to get 2 dinners out of it.
Right.
That's today and tomorrow. So fresh milk is the best
Right. Okay.
to use. You know milk, it can come and go and it can burn. So I'm mixing it here now. You slowly put the milk through. So now just throw my broccoli onto the frying pan. So this is basically the chicken stock.
Alright.
This will give you a real bit of flavour. You pour that in. If it happens that you feel like the sauce is not thick enough, you can actually add the flour and water to it. That will thicken it.
Right.
The key thing is to have it slow, cook it slowly. See it's getting thick now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the flour.
The flour is doing that.
Very
We'll add more
good.
of that now.
And you just keep doing that till it gets thick.
Keep on doing that until, yeah.
See it, Pete? Alright. Very good.
Good to have it cooked. So, how are you today?
Not too bad, thanks, Pete.
Now, so if you're going to get thick here now, it takes a while, right? So have patience, right?
Right.
So that's been about 10 minutes, right? I'm going to add the cheese,
Okay.
just to give that a little bit extra flavour, right?
Right.
And I'm going to add more black pepper. Right? So the next thing you do is, for me now the sauce is thicking up, right? And the cheese is great and helps, so
Right.
it does thicken, but it takes a while. The idea is to do it very slowly and to run tap on there. But anyway, the next thing I want to do is move my chicken and broccoli. Thank you very much, Jack. What are we doing about you? Right. And you're going to just mix this through, right?
Can I see that now, Pete?
It's lovely and thick now.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Takes a long time though to do it with the rest, doesn't it?
It does, it does.
You'd have to be used to that, wouldn't you?
You do, yeah. I mean,
But it's
if
good.
you're not used to it, like, it's not great.
Where's he gone? Where's he gone?
I use the chopping board, so I'll do. As you say, when you live with people, you find out. Right. So I'm using the chopping board. I'm bringing this over here.
Okay.
So we have your broccoli, your chicken,
Right.
and everything, right? So the next thing you do is you go and put it on the again editor.
What are you looking for, Pete?
It's just scoop this now into the tray.
Right. And then just pour it all in. Yeah.
And that's for 2 people now tonight.
Right.
And
Looks lovely, doesn't it?
that looks grand. The next thing you do is using your mix. I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes.
15.
And then
Right.
place in the oven. So this is the chicken broccoli baked. This is for tomorrow's lunch. My other one is in the oven, right? So I'm going to have that tonight.
Yeah.
So
Right.
the idea is that it goes crispy, right? The crumbs.
Okay.
As I said, I've never made this before in my life, but I know it's going to be good.
Wow.
Because I always believe in food. If you actually believe in the food, it will always turn out great.
Wow.
So
There it is before and after.
So from Peterson and from Food Lover, I'm going to have pictures on Instagram, right? Look me up, I think it's Peter John Sinnott. Give us a like. If you like the video, give us a like. And I also have it on Facebook. At the moment, I have all this, because I have a private Facebook page, I can't give out to everybody. But anyone that knows me on Facebook, if they want, share my video so you can get around. But after saying that, thanks very much for
Looks
watching.
great, Pete.
Peterson and Food Lover. This is the most important
Perfect.
dish, chicken broccoli baked.
Looks great, Pete.
Remember, it was done in a white sauce with broccoli, onions and chicken, with cheese going through the sauce. Your base was herbs, crumbs and cheese. That's simple. And black and white, brown and white pepper. So, and black grated pepper. You know yourself. Get all twisted out. But you see what I did anyway.
Okay, Pete.
Brown pepper.
So what's the name of it again?
It's chicken broccoli bake.
Lovely.
Alright, you could do a lot of things in it. You could put mushroom bake. You could do whatever you want, right? So that's it. So thanks very much. See you
Okay,
next
Pete.
time.
Okay, Pete. Bye.